Narito na ang mga kaganapan sa araw na ito. Camarines Norte Provincial Library isinagawa ang Quiz B Finals. Basud National High School lumahok sa 2023 si Mayo Japan Education for Sustainable Development. Dole tupad na orientation and distribution for PPEs tuloy-tuloy na isinasagawa. Mula kahapon ay patuloy na isinasagawa ang orientation at distribution of personal protective equipments sa mga Dole Tupad Program beneficiaries. Ngayong araw, ang benepisyaryo mula sa mga bayan ng Basud, Mercedes, San Lorenzo Ruiz, San Vicente, Talisay at Vinsons ang sumailalim sa nasabing gawain. Ang paglalatag at pagsasakotuparan ng gawain ay sa tulong ng 31 milyong pondo para sa Livelihood Assistance at Dole Tupad Program na tinanggap ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Camarines Norte sa pangunguna ni Governor Dong Padilla at Vice Governor Joseph Ascucha. Kaugnay ng gawain ay agara naman itong ipapamahagi at gagamitin para sa kapakanan ng ating mga kababayan. Good afternoon sa lahat. Andito po tayo ngayon kasama mga estudyante from Basud National High School. I am Marifel Al Fernandez from Provincial Information Office. Kindly introduce yourself, kids.
Hello po, I am Marinal Flores Bayani, grade 10 student from Basud National High School.
Hello everyone, good day. I am Bruce Jerez P. Godinez, grade 10 student from Basud National High School.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Luvisel Asuncion Fajardo, grade 10 student from Basud National High School.
Hello po, good afternoon. I am Ralph Paul Cesar A. Ablaneda from Basud National High School, a grade 10 student.
Okay, so thank you. Congratulations pala sa pag-join niyo dito sa competition na ito. So balita ko ay top 7 kayo out of 115 schools. Okay, so first is explain the purpose of this competition. The purpose ng pagsali ninyo. Ganun.
Alright, so si Mayo Thailand po from last year po, they invited us po actually with the 2023 Mayo Japan ESD Awards, in where it is all about promoting environmental education utilizing renewable technologies po. So this competition po is heavily focused on sharing or imparting knowledge on students po or even the community about the environment and using renewable technologies po.
So basically po, ang purpose po nung sinalihan namin is maikalap or mapakita sa buong Southeast Asia kung ano ang programang meron ang paaralan namin, which is the Basud National High School.
And kung mai-influensya din po namin, hindi lang sa aming mga sarili, kundi pati po sa buong komunidad, yung mga programa na kailangan natin gawin para mas maprotektahan ang ating kalikasan.
Okay, so paano nyo pala nalaman yung competition na ito? Like, may nag-invite ba sa inyo or kayo mismo yung nag-reach out?
Actually po, since we were known po na from Thailand, we won po the CIMEO 2023 Research Fair and Exposition last March lang. So, nag-reach out po sila kay Sir Isagani F. Musa po, yung coach po namin, and then na-endorse din po itong competition na ito from our Educational Provincial Supervisor, which is Sir Noel V. Ibis po.
Okay, so what are your objectives or goals in joining this competition?
So, our objectives or goals po in joining this competition was to, of course, show the whole world, or show Southeast Asia rather, the programs we have integrated po in our school na in where we would impart knowledge about the environment, on how we should take care of it through the use of innovations po and different projects and activities about renewable technologies po.
At malaman po ng ibang tao kung ano yung mga ways na pwede po nilang gawin para makatulong sa kalikasan natin. Kasi ngayon po nakikita natin na pabawas na ng pabawas yung natural resources natin kumpara sa padami na populasyon ng tao. And ngayon po, through this project po, malalaman ng ibang tao kung ano yung mga bagay, yung mga programa na maibibigay sa kanila para mas masolusyonan natin yung isyong panlipunan, kalikasan.
Karagdagan po doon, alam naman po natin na habang tumatagal, lalo pong pataas ng pataas yung bill ng kuryente. So, may mga research project, research studies, and research devices po yung paaralan namin na nakakatulong para mas magi tayong matipid. And yun po yung solar-powered devices.
So, what is your inspiration while preparing for this?
Our inspiration po is the global issues that we are facing right now. Our program we have composed our program to battle these issues po, like climate change, global warming, and these programs are designed to help us reduce these problems po.
Okay, so how did the whole community in the school supported you all throughout the process? Like, meron ba silang financially or sa mga binibigay sa inyo?
Una po, yung suporta na binigay po na nila sa amin is yung bigyan po kami ng kalidad na edukasyon. Kumbaga, sila po yung naging puhunan, naging root kung paano namin nagawa yung mga program, yung mga research po na ganito. Sunod na lang po kasi yung suporta na ibinigay nila during the process Kasi nandyan po yung food, may pagkain. Kasi hindi po pwedeng mawala na walang pagkain talaga. Kasi utak at buong katawan ang inaalay po namin during the process. And syempre, na pinayagan po kami mag-stay doon sa school kahit gabi na nakakauwi.
Not to mention po, the support po from our friends, our classmates po. Kasi nung time po na yon, it was summer po. So, inisip po namin dapat po kami magpahinga. So, ang nangyari po nun is sila na lang po yung naging support system po namin together with our parents na kahit anumang mangyari, kahit anumang challenges po na face namin during the preparation for this competition, sila po talaga yung nag-boost po nung moral po namin during that time.
Okay, so what made you decide to participate in this competition?
So actually po, what made us decide to join this competition was that naisip nga po namin yung gusto naming maipagmalaki yung program po na meron ang school namin regarding these problems like climate change na nga po, and the ways po to impart knowledge on other students, on the community about the problems you're facing, and then yung hindi lang po na meron po tayong one solution, kundi meron po tayong different solutions. Yun po yung gusto po namin mabigay na information sa ibang tao. And then, I guess, what made us decide to push forward was the support din po nga from our parents and from our teachers. Kasi, especially po kay Sir Isagali Musa, siya po kasi talaga yung nag-push sa amin para kahit anumang pagod, yung mga sacrifices po namin on time, siya po yung make ng way para ma-finish po namin yung final outcome po namin, which was the magiging top 7 na po kami here.
Okay, so from that, na sinabi mo na naging top 7 kayo, can you say that you achieved your desired outcome?
Yes, ma'am. Kasi po, nandito na po kami. Kausap na po namin kayo. Kausap na po namin kayo. And I believe nalaman po ng Southeast Asia kung ano yung pinapatunayan, kung ano yung gustong ibahagi ng Basud National High School, which is the Earthwise program. And hopefully na gamit ito through this Earthwise program, gumawa ng aksyon ang mga tao tungkol sa pangangalaga sa kalikasan.
So, dahil dyan sa award niyo, sa tingin niyo, meron bang effect yan? Or yung, halimbawa, yung moral ng school, nag-boost ba siya? Or ano yung effect niya in a way, sa ibang aspeto?
Alright, so we think po na actually it really boosted the school's morale kasi from our previous projects po about the environment, which was our Yes Ocampo, so we had different activities po na na-involve po talaga yung mga students and naging aware po sila through different activities nga ng mga seminars, mga little competitions like our sayawit, speech card.
Nagkaroon din po ng seminars.
Yeah.
May mga proctors din po na galing mismo dito sa Provincial Capital.
So, yun po yung naging way. Parang after that, after that event, mas lalo pong nagdami talaga yung involvement ng mga students ng Basud National High School sa Youth for Environment in Schools organization po and sa research na rin po. Marami pong mga students na na-inspire and nagkaroon ng interest sa research and environment po because of this program.
Karagdagan po dun, mas pinapalakas po ng Basud National High School yung quality ng education. So, mas napapagtuunan po ng pansin yung mga estudyante na bigyan ng maayos na edukasyon at matulungan na ipakita kung ano yung talento, yung potential ng isang bata.
And so how can you address the public or your fellow students regarding the message of this competition, which is the environment now?
So, to our fellow students po, we would like to say na always keep in mind that every action you do has a consequence on not only yourself but also the environment. Kasi po, for example, nagtapon ka ng basura na plastic ng candy, kapag isang tao lang po ang gumawa nun, iisipin natin na it wouldn't really add that much. Pero kung marami na pong tao ang gumagawa nun, it would be a really big problem. So, sana po ang program po namin makaka-adjust po in problems like that in making ways or changing or becoming disciplined po to potentially or rather save the earth po or save our planet po.
Sabi nga po nila, kung hindi tayo kakilos ngayon, kailan
Pa.
Okay, so now it's your time to promote the school and acknowledge the people na gusto ninyong pasalamatan.
Ayan po. First, maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Milagros Estendoy, our school principal. Pangalawa, sa aming coaches po, kay Sir Isagani F. Musa, kay Ma'am Donna A. Brasino, kay Sir Jude po, na talagang focus at tumulong po sa amin during the process ng aming project ng programa. And to our classmates na sinuportahan po kami sa ginagawa namin ito sa mga competition na pinupuntahan po namin.
Additionally po, we would like to thank the personnel po from our schools division office, which is una-una po to our schools division superintendent, Sir Cristito M. Morcilla. Thank you so much po sa pag-endorse, sa pagtulong po kay Sir Noel V. Ibis, ang aming educational provincial supervisor, for telling our coach, Sir Isagani F. Musa, about this competition. To our PSDS, Ma'am Gigi Maricel Lacson, and to our principal nga po, Ma'am Milagros Estindoy. Thank you so much po to our head teacher in science in the science department of Basud National High School. Thank you po, Ma'am Lucenda A. Chavez, for staying with us during the whole competition or during the whole preparation for this competition po, rather.
Lalong-lalo na po sa mga magulang namin na sinuportahan kami all throughout that one week preparation, na kahit pagod na pagod kami, nandyan sila para sabihin na kaya namin to, may patutunguhan yung pagod namin.
Ayun. Sana subaybayan pa po ninyo kung ano ang mga competition, kung ano ang mga ipapalabas pa ng Basud National High School.
Yan, so thank you so much sa pagpapa-unlock ng interview na ito and for giving your time and dedication. Sana madami pang students ang matulad sa inyo. And thank you so much everyone. Again, I am Marifilal Fernandez. See you again. Isinagawa ng Camarines Norte Provincial Library sa Provincial Capital, Daet, Camarines Norte nitong ika-17 ng Nobyembre 2023 ang Quiz B Finals. 21 na estudyante ang lumahok sa patimpalak mula sa mga distrito ng Daet at kabilang sa mga eskwelahan ay ang Camarines Norte National High School, Montessori Children House of Learning, DQ Liwag National High School, Froilan D. Lopez High School, San Lorenzo National High School at iba pa. Layunin nito ang mapaigting pa ang kaalaman ng mga estudyante at magtagisan ng galing at talino sa iba't ibang larangan. Marifel L. Fernandez from Provincial Information Office, Serbisyong Alay sa Diyos, Alay sa Bayan.